everyone, welcome back to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video we will see how to fix DJ mode option not showing on Spotify. Generally lot of Spotify users has been reported to Spotify DJ mode not showing. Now how to fix Spotify DJ mode not showing? First of all, make sure that your region is supported to Spotify DJ that is currently in its initial release phase. That's why it is only available to Spotify users residing in the US and Canada. So if you are from different region, it could be why DJ isn't available for you in the Spotify app. Now the second thing is ensure that you have a premium account. In addition to region restrictions, Spotify DJ is also restricted to Spotify premium subscribers only. So if you are a free user in a supported region, it could be why Spotify DJ is unavailable for you. However, not all premium users have Spotify DJ as it has not been rolled out for everyone yet. Third thing is that wait for the beta version to roll out for your account. Another thing is that Spotify DJ is currently in its beta phase. This means it is gradually being rolled out to premium users in the US and Canada. And by chance, if you got DJ mode on your Spotify, then how to use it? So now please follow the steps to learn how to use DJ mode on your Spotify app. First of all, on your device, open the Spotify app. Next, head on to your music feed on the app. And now tap on the play on the DJ card. So that is how easily you can use DJ mode on your Spotify app. So that's all. That's how you can fix the issue that DJ mode option not showing on your Spotify. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.